Hey YouTube, this video, you probably have seen it. If you haven't, you can go watch the main video. But I'm redoing it, where I'm answering them all over again. I haven't, seen the video, recently. And I made about, I have no idea how far ago I made it, but it was a couple months. So the first one, I told people to ask me questions. I have to answer 100% truthfully. This first one, I have no idea what tequila is, or I don't know what it is. Oof, how are you? Fine. Okay, since Zach dared you to not do my dare, why are you friends with him? I have no idea. I'm not friends with him anymore. If I could meet anyone, it would probably be Ty. Explain why you start fights with Night. I don't have an answer to that. Why can't you be best friends again? He doesn't even want to be my friend, obviously. Explain why you get annoying around him. He's the one who's annoying, not me. I mean, no offense, but he's, I don't know. We used to fight so much that neither of us really talk anymore. Explain why you can't just be normal around him. Okay, since he's not even gonna since he's probably not gonna watch this, I can say the truth. I probably can't be normal around him because I still like him. Are you pretty? I hope so. Probably. Do you like country songs and do you like K-pop songs? No and don't know. Do you like Alex? Just said that. Who do you like? Just said that too. Why are you so weird around Alex? 'Cause he was a jerk for all 7 months I've known him. Why do you always fight with Alex? Dude, how many people are asking the same questions? Can you have another survey about what type of content we want to see? Like what games you can play? Sure. Can you sing? No, you tell me. But not right now, because I'm not going to sing, because I have a huge cold. Did you ever date Alex? Yeah. If yes, why not anymore? Because he dumped me for another girl. And whoever asked us probably know all of that. You guys would be so cute together. Why can't you be together? Because he's a jerk? Do you have a BF? Yes. Do you like Zach? No. Who are your best friends? Me, myself, and I. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Me? Probably. Can you make more videos, please? I'd hope so. I remember this one. I never knew what ornery meant. I think it was like annoying or something. Yo, it's not even what I copied. Bad-tempered and combative. Stubborn. I am not stubborn. I just have to get what I want or not. What do you do with your vids? I make them and upload them. How many people are gonna ask if I like Zach and Alex? No, and maybe. This one is optional. If you want, you can write theirs or choose for one of my videos, since there will be a tier D one. Okay, well, Zach wants this, so I love tacos. That's how it's kind of spelled. Is it true you're awesome? Boy. I dare you to do that they're under Zach's and never listen to any dares that tell you not to. Also, I dare you to be nice for a whole week. Be nice to who? What? Be nice to Alex for a whole week. Be nice to Alex for a whole week. I am not complimenting him at least 50 times per hour. Not happening. Do you like Alex? Yay? Yeah? Never. I dare you to stop being such an annoying child. Stupid Alex. No. Hello, Sky. You're my friend, and my name is Nessie Moore. Nope. Have a good day. What are you doing there? It's already answered that. Do an RP about love. Roblox jailbreak video with Night, Nessie, and anyone else. Not allowed to play Roblox, and I'd not do anything with Night. Gaming, vlogs, etc. Yeah, I can do vlogs, I guess. It'll take a while because my device ain't even charged, but okay, thanks for watching. I have to go now because my throat's about to break. Literally, because it's so sore. Comment any ideas for further videos, and see you next time.